May I request Srimati Mamata Banerjee to give her keynote address.
Thank you, Andrea. Respected Sandipan Chakraborty, Amit Mitra, Mr. Devesharji, and all my PAN IIT, the friends, delegates. And I cannot say only the PAN IIT, I will say that you are the gold mines of the world. And your brain and your minds, of course, it is a golden brain, what I can say. And today I am very happy that at least I have got the opportunity to say a few words in front of you. And you have chosen Kolkata. It is our great honor, great privilege. We are delighted. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. Though once a time, 19th century, 20th century, the new Renaissance or the freedom struggle, all the Kolkata people, they help like anything. Even it is a land of Rabindranath Tagore, Nazrul, Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramahansadev, and so many others. And our great men like Rabindranath Tagore, Amartya Sen, Mother Teresa, and so many. So even Mr. C.V. Raman, they have got the Nobel laureates also from the Kolkata. So we are proud of that. And after New Year, I can't imagine that you have chosen Kolkata. I'm really happy. Next time also you have chosen some other, in the America or somewhere you have chosen. For the next time also you have PAN IIT, the program. So what Sandipanda has said, so many things in favor of me. But you will see that ours is a small state, but small is always beautiful. India is a country where unity in diversity is our origin. Ours is a vast country. We have different languages, different caste, different creed. Today, I have met my Mumbai friends, the IIT friends, 16 IIT from Mumbai, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, the Hyderabad. Then I met Roorkee, this Odisha, then Bihar, this Patna, then Kanpur, Chennai, Jharkhand, and other place also, Guwahati. So I'm very happy, at least I have got the opportunity to meet them. And I marked one thing, that all my young generations, they are doing this IIT not only for particular intention, but they are the future, and they are the future tomorrow. They are the tomorrow of our country, of the world also. And our state, of course, please excuse me to say so, our financial condition was very bad. After 34 years, I just want to brief only 1-2 minutes, because you know all this better than me. But only because it is in Bengal, that's why. We are facing the legacy about 34 years, one party rule. We are facing the legacy because of the economic situation especially. When this Parivartan came after 34 years, our main challenges is how to overcome the economic situation. It is more than 2,03,000 crores our debt. Our financial position is totally minus. No fund is available with us. When we came and joined as a new government, now whatever we have our earning, we have to pay it for the debt. No money for food, no money for 100 days work, no money for institute, the education, the health. This is a great challenge. We are facing a big legacy. This is not our fault, but instead of that, I want to tell you, if there is a will, there is a way. Yes, we can do it. If we think, yes, we can do it. What is our way out? Only one example, that is the mandates lost. If you can compare, you will see 2009 and 10, the mandates lost was about 68 lakhs. 66, this 2019, 10, 11, it was about 66 lakhs. And when we came in power, we have got 6 months. Within this, it was just drastically coming down from 66 lakhs to only 60,000 days. Only 60,000 within 6 months. And if you see this 1 year, it is only 5,000. This is the work culture. You know, if I say somebody, please do this, and if I can't do anything, then it won't matter. If you do the job, then you can ask the other to do the job. That is called work culture. Always we have to start it from our own. If I don't do the jobs, I have no moral authority to give the direction to others. Please do the job. And this is the beauty of the work culture and our duty that we must perform. We must perform. And that's why we started our performing. Even if you see the central government, the GDP, how my state's GDP has grown faster during the first quarter of this financial year. We, as compared to the nation as a whole, this is a very charming figure. I must congratulate Amit Mitra for this, my IIT professor from Delhi, IIT. Just now he told me that I was the professor of Delhi IIT. We are really proud of him. He said state GDP has grown faster during the first quarter of this financial year as compared to the nation as a whole. While India grew by 5.5% in the first quarter of 2012-13, West Bengal grew by 6.94%. You see, it's a great challenge. Some people are only there saying, nowadays there are some problems, you know. If you do the positive work and the constructive work, that nobody will highlight. If you do the destructive work, then it will be highlighted. That is our unfortunate or fortunate part. And that's why the people don't know even how we are improving. Why we are improving? Because we started e-tendering, e-governance, e-process. And for this, what we have got the result also. What is our result? At least this time, within this financial quarter, our growth rate is about 35%. Taxes, 35% growth. So it's a good development. And it is possible because of this hard work and our policy. We have already introduced our IT policies, the hard work policies, then the small scale industrial policies, the industrial policies, and also our decision to set up some knowledge hub also. We have already set up our financial hub also in West Bengal. Because we are trying our best. In West Bengal, we have so many opportunity to invest also. Because agricultural sector, we are the first, #1 state. We produce the rice. But in potato goings, production, we are #2. But there are some fruits and vegetables, we are also #2. And that's why we want to be #1. Why? Because our land is very good. Our agriculture is very good. We want to see the green revolution here already started. And we have decided our government to give the benefits to the farmers. That's why within this year, though money is not available, but we are trying with the PPP mode. We have decided to set up at least 341, the Kishan Mandis, means farmers market, along with cold storage, along with warehousing, everything, so that we can help the poor. Why we want to help the poor? Because they are the main pillar. If you see the world, there are so many people, they have enough, but there are so many people, they consider as a downtrodden people. I always pray, as Rabindranath Tagore, I want to quote, he said, in his one quotation, what Macmillan translated, that give me the strength never to disown the poor or to bend my knees before insolent might. We always want to see where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Let our head is held high. Let us help the poor people, the downtrodden people, who have everything. There is no need to give them the benefits. But I feel who have nothing is there. Give them some shelter. Our government have decided to give shelter to all the shelterless people. Our government have decided to give all the help to the poor people and the farmers and industry also. We want to build up our industry also. Even within this 1.5 years, we have decided to set up 47 small-scale cluster. Even I am happy to announce that even in GI production, we have got our 6 items. It is cleared by the WTO because our state is bigger than UK, bigger than Italy. Even it is bigger than the other country also like this. So this is a big state, and we have already started our web-based employment bank also. Web-based employment bank, we started our skill development program, particularly in technical and vocational trades. We have taken decision to set up 1 ITI in every block and 1 polytechnic college in every subdivision, so that our people, our young generation, who are 50% in this country, who are 50% in the state, I want to develop them also, so that they can give more service to the people. We have also launched a skill development mission, and we are inviting collaboration in this field to strengthen our efforts further. And also I am interested to set up some knowledge hub also. We are encouraging the IT industry, the other industry, the manufacturing industry, the engineering industry, along with this small scale. Small is always beautiful. And we love to see the beautiful things are happening in this country. In our state, you know, nowadays, this entertainment industry is a very big industry. From Tollywood, Hollywood to Bollywood. Tollywood, it is in Kolkata. Bollywood, of course, it is in Mumbai. And Hollywood in, USA. But for French, with the USA, UK, all these European countries. So there is a connection between Hollywood, Bollywood, and Tollywood. Nowadays, entertainment industry is an industry where the options are open, where we can invest so much money. And we have already identified the land. We want to set up 3 entertainment, the film city, and the tele academy city, the entertainment industry, including the ecotourism hub, including the entertainment industry. That also we already identified 3 places for Siliguri, North Bengal, and other place, Uttarpara in Hooghly district, and also other is Sobusdip, that is also Hooghly. So we have decided, because Bengal we have the potentiality. I only request you, because all of you are you are the main foundation who can lobby for us, who can at least influence the people that yes, there is an option. Come and invest your money for that. Bengal, I'm telling you, the entertainment industry and the tourism industry, it's a key point. We have the deep forest area in Bengal. That is Sundarban area. It is the border of Bangladesh. Even Bhutan, Nepal, there are some links in North Bengal also. Bengal is the gateway of northeastern region. If we want to develop the northeastern region, Bengal is the gateway. From Bengal you can help Bangladesh. From Bengal you can help Nepal. From Bengal you can help Bhutan. And also from Bengal you can help the northeastern region also. This is the gateway. And we have enough scope. Hill, if you see hilly area, like my northern India, eastern part also, northeastern part. There are so many areas. Can you imagine the Darjeeling? It is within Bengal. When we took charge, that time we have seen it was just crying. Everybody was scared to go to Darjeeling. And you'll be happy to know, within this 1.5 years, Darjeeling is smiling. All the problems are solved. And the Jungle Mahal fishery, what these Jharkhand and other states are facing, democratic state, ours is a democratic country. So opposition will raise their voice, we will raise our voice. It's obvious things. But you cannot say that there are so many problems, so I cannot invest. Bengal is very happy, very peaceful place now. no communal tension, no quarrel, no this separation of the separation movement and all this. So we are happy for this. And that's why I'll request you that if you invest, if you ask the people to invest, there is an area called Sundarban area. Just like African safari, the place is there, deep forest, Bay of Bengal. We have the hill areas like Darjeeling. We have the green forestry in Torai, Duars, and so many areas. And we have the sea areas also like Goa. We have Digha. We have already developed 2-3 areas like Udaipur, Tajpur, and also I have decided to expedite a proposal already came from Shagor area. There is a Kopil Muni Ashram in front of Sundarban area. So there also we can develop a beach again, which may create, just like Goa, a bridge also. So potentiality is there. Our labor is very cheap. Land bank, we have already set up our land bank. Our power is surplus. What is needed for the industry? Our power is surplus. Within this time, we have already set up our power bank. The excess power, it is preserved for the all type of work. So it is already there. Power bank is there. The employment bank is there. The land bank is there. The land use policy is there. And there are so many areas where we can nurture our potentiality. Yesterday also there is an Indian-UK Business Council. We already gave our consent that yes, we are interested. So many countries, they are also coming to Bengal. They are also, they already assured us they are also going to invest the money. So may I request you, our friends, you are from the different parts of the world. You are the bright, talented generation. It is you, wherever you may be. You may be in America, you may be in America, you may be in UK, you may be French, you may be in Italy, you may be in Germany, you may be in Israel. Please take care for the motherland and for the country also. And at the same time, I will be very happy if you invest for other states also. I will plead for Eastern India, I will plead for Northeastern India, I will plead for all over my country. At the same time, I will request you, if you have a small scope, I don't believe that only big industry can give a big boost up. I believe a small thing also can give a big boost up. It is your heart. It is your touch. So I will request you that your presence, it touches our heart. And I believe that this mentality, your vision, your action, your mission may help us. Bengal may be a poor state. We may be financially weak because of the legacy we are facing. But I believe what Swami Vivekananda had said, if you think you are weak, weak you will be. If you think you are strong will be. Strength is the medicine for the world disease. And my strength is my Mamati Manush. It is the motherland, and it is the country, it is the soil, it is the humanity. And I will appeal to all of you, please don't forget us. Thank you very much for remembering us. Your kind presence is enough for us. It is an indication. But at the same time, please realize when you will go to your own place, you will go for another job, please realize that a small word, Bengal is beautiful. What Bengal thinks today, India thinks tomorrow. We have the will, we have the perseverance, we have the soul, and it is the heart, and it is the brain. Our brain is very good. From Nasha to Bhasha, if you see, you will see that Bengal brain is a gold mine. So please help us. And I thank you so much to my Sandipanda and all of my industrial friends and Pan IIT, all the friends, that you have chosen Kolkata. It is our great privilege and honor. Again, you come to Kolkata, whenever you will like it to come, you will see every year, every moment, Bengal is developing. Bengal builds, Bengal leads. This is our brand. There is no substitute of the hard work. And I believe within a few months, Bengal will show the way. What called Pan IIT, Bengal IIT Bengal, Pan IIT, the Bengal will lead the world. That I can assure you. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Please take care of your safe and sound staying in Kolkata. Thank you so much.